The next idea I had was to create coloring pages at the end of the book. That can help increase the page count and almost double the book just by adding that section. For this example, I made only one coloring page. Let's go back to Phygital Plus, and I'll show you how I did it. First, I asked the chat which tool I should use, and it suggested the vectorizer. It doesn't let me write any prompt, but it doesn't cost too many credits to try, even if it doesn't work. I connected the image from the book that I wanted to convert to a coloring page with the orange dots and clicked generate. You can see that it didn't do the job. Next, I tried Seedream from the chat suggestions and got the prompt. Again, I connected the image I wanted to convert and also changed the seed number. Maybe that's why it didn't work. I changed the number of images to 3 because that doesn't increase the credit cost like other tools. I clicked generate, but this time it also didn't work. After that, I tried ChatGPT with the same prompt. I changed the quality to low, which reduced the number of credits used, but it did a nice job. This was the first time it worked. Still, it felt a bit off, so I continued experimenting. Then I tried the tool Krea. I added the image and the prompt. It generated a black and white page, but it is not simple enough for a coloring page. I used Nano Banana next. I added the prompt without changing any settings. The image I got was okay, but I wanted to try more. Since I had changed the prompt from the first Seedream version to the one that worked with ChatGPT, I decided to give Seedream another chance. This time, I used the new prompt and didn't touch the seed number. Maybe that was the problem before. It worked. I got 3 images because I had set it that way before generating, and this time, I think I got the most usable coloring page. Because the original image had a lot of details, it's harder to make a coloring page that really looks like one, and not just a black and white image. If I were making this book for real, I would create more images for coloring pages. Now back to Canva. Click on this video next, like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.